Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a full review and demonstration of this Ember mug right here. This is the 10-ounce version and this is the second generation. So anyways, let's go ahead and change the camera angle so that you guys could see this just a little bit better. Alrighty, so here is a closer look. Once again, this is the 10-ounce version. You guys could see that this is the second generation by that little orange 2 right there. So on the back here, it gives us some pretty good information. It says that this battery life on this mug is about an hour and a half, which is improved from the previous generation. And the mug is IPX7 waterproof. So you could put this up to 1 meter deep in water. So cleaning this should be a breeze. There is an app that comes with this, so we'll show that in just a moment. And I don't see the complete temperature range here, but they say it starts at 135 and you could adjust from there. But we'll definitely take a look in the app to see just how high we could go. Alrighty, that's enough talking. Let's get to the fun part, which is unboxing. So this packaging is really good looking. It seems very secure, really fancy. And here is our mug. Now, if you're kind of curious about what material this is, it's actually a metal material. So if you drop it, it's not just gonna shatter. That was just a worry that I had originally. As you guys could see, it's a very modern look with a really neat handle right here. The inside's nice and simple, just like a normal mug, but all the magic happens down here. This is where you guys charge, and this is where the heat comes from. Just make sure that you guys peel this off, and now you guys could see the actual button right there. So that's how you turn it on and off. Next up, we have the base, and this is what you plug into the wall. And then whenever it's plugged in, you just set the mug right there and it charges. So just make sure that you guys remove this and just make sure that you guys don't get water on this part. Now we just pull this out and we have a few more things. So we have a little quick start guide and of course the power cable to turn this on, and that's about it. So now we're gonna go ahead and download the app and we're gonna see what all we could do from the app with this mug. All right, so now we're gonna go through the app. So you guys can get this on Android or Apple. We're just gonna select our device. Now we're just gonna follow the instructions here. We're gonna press and hold the power button until we see this blink blue. All right, so it's blinking blue. Now we're just gonna press next. And the Bluetooth on my phone's already on. And now we're just gonna pair. So just like that, we just got it paired. And now I should be able to monitor the temperature from my phone. So let me go ahead and sign in, then I'll be right back with you guys. So immediately I'm greeted with this. We could change the LED to different colors, which is helpful if you guys have multiple of these in the house. You guys could have your own color to make sure that no one drinks out of your drink. So I turned off one of these lights here, just so I could show you the colors actually changing. So it is full RGB. That's a really nice touch. You guys shouldn't run out of colors to choose from here. Now the app's telling me that the cup's empty, which the app would be correct. There's nothing in here right now, but we do have the temperature gauge right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the max, which seems to be 145. And then the lowest temperature appears to be 120 degrees. Then anything past that, it just turns the heater off and it's just gonna act like a normal mug. So if I touch the bottom of the mug right now, which I wouldn't recommend doing, it actually is already very warm. So this thing heats up really fast. And like I was saying, this should last for about an hour and a half. You guys can even change the brightness of that LED there. So if it's annoying you guys could just turn it down a little. You guys could see the battery level. So right now it's at 25%. You guys can change the Fahrenheit to Celsius if that suits you better. And you guys have notifications for low battery and whenever it reaches the temperature. So that's just a really quick rundown of this Ember mug and some of the features in the app. Hopefully you guys found this helpful, and that's about it for this review.